Bulacan. Time check 5 AM. Going to the bus station. So guys, maaga tayo ngayon kasi ang ating bus will be 6 AM. So we need to be at the bus station here in Pugoritsa. Going to Croatia. See you. Yan na guys, ngit-ngit pa, madilim pa, wala pang tao sa daan. Ito na kami guys sa bus station, waiting for our bus. Ayan na guys, so umalis na kami on the way to Croatia. Ayan na guys, nag-stop over kami. Ayan yung pusa. So guys, matulog talaga muna ko lang matulog. So later na lang yung mga video. Okay. Dito na tayo sa border ng Herceg-Novi, Montenegro, going to Croatia. Line up muna kami. Nandito na kami sa border guys. Yung border nila malapit lang sa bus station ng Herceg-Novi. Tapos traffic. Lapit lang pala. Literally, ang lapit lang. Papasok ng Croatia. It's like, parang wala lang, I don't know, maybe 1-2 kilometer away. Something like that. So, pipila muna kami dito guys. Bababa siguro kami sa pila. Check the passport and then, ayun, pasok na ng Schengen zone na. Yep. Ayun guys, nagpila muna kami dito sa border. Haba ng pila.
Korea, China.
Korea.
Korea. South Korea, North Korea.
South Korea.
Oh, not Kim Jong.
Kim Jong-un. No. Bus namin guys. Kontrola. Ayan na guys. Nag-ano na kami.
Katas-katas.
Makyat na kami sa bus. Ang next is Croatian border. Marina. Montenegro border yun. Ngayon, punta tayo sa Croatian border na. So, yep. Go. Kaya pa bang taas kay pila border sa Croatia? Waiting in vain for today's video. Yan na siya guys. Nandito na tayo sa border. Sobrang traffic. Ang daming Philadelphia. Especially sa bus. So bababa kami nito isa-isa. Ayan na bench. Malapit na po tayo sa pila. Isang kembot, dalawang kembot, tatlong kembot. Papasok na tayo sa Croatia. Guys, ang tagal. Super duper Philadelphia. Nakakaloka. Ano siya guys? Arriving in Dubrovnik. Maulan ngayon guys. September na kasi. Ayan na, nakikita niyo na ba? Welcome to may shuttle sila Number 7 daw sabi ni Daddy. Budba 2.0. Budba 2.0. Sveti Stefan. siya guys, ang kanilang dagat. Excited na ba kayo mag Game of Thrones? Ay, natulog lang talaga ako whole biyahe guys kasi nag-tour kami sa Montenegro. Grabe ang tour namin, oy. From Bar to Petrovac to Budva to Tibat to Kotor to Herceg-Novi anda all in one palaman.
Bago pumunta na
bago
Dobro na
ano? Mount Kingdom. Ayan na guys, makikita nyo na ang hometown. Look over there, ayan na siya. Ang hometown ni Papa. Ayan na siya.
Minigalo.
Hindi, nagkakayak ko, nagkakayak ko. Ayan sila guys, ayan na ang hometown. Pwede mo na maglaglag na taon niya. Wala ako. Diba? Nakikita nyo na ba ang aking nakikita? Sa aking mga mata? Ayan na siya guys. So, diba? Welcome to Brugate. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan ang old town, the Brugate. We're heading there now. Dito kasi kami sa kabila. Hawaii Beach. Diba? Looks like a movie. I can't really think. Ayan pala siya guys. Yan pala pinagkakaguluhan nila. Ang old town. Yan yung mga Game of Thrones guys. Diyan. Shinoting. Dati talaga ang ang main cast ng aking vlog ay si Jadzing. So bababa na tayo guys. Later. Ganda rin na siyang gawin yun. Dito, pwede po dali. Ikan ka, ambak ka dali sa guys, ang mga cruise line.
600.
Ayun na siya. Ayun na.
700.
Depende. The Norwegian. Ayan na si Norwegian. Nasab sila tulay-tulay guys. Ay, ayan. Baba station na kami guys for today's video.
Diplomata.
Jikot na si Daddy in 3, 2, aray ko.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with
No, sa tunga. Sa
us right.
Sa Figurita. Yung tulay-tulay.
Love like an ocean rippling. Sink into the shadows. You and I forever, wild and free.
Laban si Dante. Na siya guys, andito pala ang port of entry. Andito pala si Daddy Norwegian. Ayan na siya. Norwegian Pearl of Kemerut. Guarurut Arut. For the Jack and Rose.
Dati sa Titanic, may barko-barko.
Nakamagod sila pero kahoy. Kahoy bato. Sa bato.
You and I forever, wild and free.
Ay, ito na bus station. Ayan na, dito na kami sa bus station. Port of Dubrovnik is one on pala. Ayan na guys. Mag-ano, taste mo loud din. Ayan na, bus station na pala. Bus number 7 daw. Mutanap na. And we arrived. Welcome to Dubrovnik. Yeah, Dubrovnik. Ka na. Na guys, dumating kami, ha? Welcome. Welcome to Dubrovnik. Welcome to sa daw. Yo, okay daw.
Ciao na.
Ciao na.
Dapit.
Kuwasan ni mong ano, oh. Asa na si Bibi Boy? Tura, oh. Cruise ship kayo, kuya?
Ay, Pilipino pala to.
Ah, Indonesian. Cruise ship kayo? Sa cruise ship kayo? Ah. Ito pa, oh. Mga cruise ship.
Di, taga-Montenegro kami.
And na guys, we arrived. Yan yata, sis. Ah, 10 man yan. Number 7 daw. Yawa mo ni siya, uy.
Welcome to
Hello.
Dubrovnik.
Lo. Bili muna tayo ng ticket, guys. Ayan. Bus ticket. Pero number ano tayo? 7. Ito pala yung bus station dito sa Dubrovnik, guys. Mga outfit for today. Nagchinelas lang tayo kasi nga para comfortable. 2 Old Town Coliko 5 euro.
20 euro. Pala.
Halapuno.
Pala mama.
Dari na lang taong. Nagkalisod-lisod. Ayan na siya, guys. We're heading to Old Town. Mahal ka ay. Ayan na, papunta na tayo sa Old Town. So, hi guys. Andito na kami sa Dubrovnik and nagsakay kami ng kanilang public bus going to Old Town because the bus that we're supposed to take is not running because it's Sunday. So, kailangan namin ng double ride from bus station to Old Town and then change bus to the apartment. Siguro kakain na lang siguro muna kami dito sa Old Town bago kami punta sa apartment namin kasi hindi kami dito sa Old Town nagstay because it's too expensive. We decided to stay in the next town called Lapad, which other travelers advised also na dun ma-stay. So yep, papunta na kami Old Town. Guys, ano lang namin baba sa ano tawag ito? Bus. Bakla ba yun? At andito na kami sa sa Old Town. Yawa mo to siya, uy. Magsikindat-kindat. Ano ka ng bagets? At ayun na guys. Ano muna kami kung ayan o, local bus tickets. Oh, Lapad number 4 and 6. Palit na lang ta. Coliko.
Thank you.
Do they have unlimited bus ticket? Hi, Madam Dabardan. Do you have unlimited bus ticket?
20 rides.
Huh?
20 rides.
20 rides?
Yeah.
How much?
21, 24. We have 21, 24.
Ah, this. 21, 24.
Magkuha sa tag-isa. Ano to? Lapad?
Lapad, post office.
Yeah. Two tickets.
Two.
Yeah.
350.
Huli ko.
3 pedestrian.
Palapuno, Madam.
Ciao, Nana.
Ciao. Madam, is there a buffet here in Old Town?
Food.
Food buffet?
Yes, we have a Dubrovka here on the right side. The first one.
Okay.
On the right is this one.
Palapuno. Asa daw? Budba? Montenegro? One? What you want? Ayun na. Sis. Bumbuang. So, ayan na guys. Kakain ba kami muna or sasakay ng bus?
What do you think?
What do we think? So, welcome to the Old Town. Ah, may hop on, hop off pala sila, sis.
Come on.
Like in New York. You gotta hop on and hop off. Here. Inano. Tanaw to din niyo. Republic Square. Welcome to Dubrovnik. Da 11 ang bruschetta. Kemelatik.
Goulash.
Ah, sila goulash? Ano sa tadirian? Papikas. Kay Taki gayo. Ang mga ano, food and beverages. Dito sa pikas, we. Dubravka Restaurante. Let's see. Excuse me. So, na sila yung pizza, sis. Naman sila yung rice. Dili, ang ilang main dishes kay. Astang mahala, guys. Ang saon na lang manina mo pagbuhi diri, sa ilang presyong starters pa niha. Lagi spaghetti naman ta kahapon. Tama, uli na lang sa taoy.
Big fish, 2 people.
Man. Asa? Dali, istorya na yun. Ang baked fish. Uy, hinuog ko.
Grilled octopus, rib steak, 29. At saka chicken breast fillet, 19. With rice na ni siya.
Wala, hindi man uso silang rice. Diri.
Gusto ko rice.
Talikan na. So guys, alimutan na sa tadiri asi sa ihat na mga dito.
Tiket na ni sa no.
Oh. Mo siya giingon nga kinahanglan ready ka sa financially. Pag mari ka og dapat financially ready jud ka dai kay na bankruptcy maka-file jud ka og bankruptcy. Hala, ayun na sis, oh, liguanan. Magkayak na lang ta sis. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding.
She's singing the Jones song.
Because I've been to Morocco also, the place they use the area to.
Yeah, we went to the one in Seville.
Yeah. So this is my second location. Ding 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 ding. Welcome to Dubrovnik. Gloomy ang weather ngayon, guys. So babalik tayo later for more chances of winning. So that was the area where the Game of Thrones shot the film. Punta tayo dyan later. Yeah. Maybe try some kayaking. Oh my god, in flash. Ding 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 ding. Ganan. Kor! Kor! Why are you here, Kor? In Dubrovnik? Ayan na, guys. Hanapin muna natin ang ating apartamento. O, napay bikiri o, pekara. Prosticha. Biyuda di pa Ay, Diyos ko. Alay lakad. Daro, tong room, daro. Hala. Ayun na siya, guys. Ayan. May chika. May chico Latino. Ayan. Wi-Fi.
Madam, there's the milkshake.
Ay naman di ay. Sige, sulod. So dito kami mag-i-stay, guys, for today's video. Sarado muna natin. Let's go. This is our Hi. Do you work here? Oh, okay.
I think
The owner is not here, he said.
traveling.
Yeah. So we will just go up. He said the key is there.
You know which one number?
Yeah, this second one. Is it first floor? Because they say it here first floor, but in my country it's second floor.
Oh yeah. So first floor you have room 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, I think he said.
Room 2, yeah, that's there. And then upstairs is 5.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, di ka magsugba sis. Oh. Nasa lang sugba. So we will stay here, guys. See? It's very relaxing ambience. Walay tabo. Sa laban lang. Let's go. So this is where we stay. Dito ko. Kuha sa imong bag, be. Kaya para makaagi ko. Kaya mo rin siya pinakabarato. So dito kami mag-i-stay, guys. Mag-relaxing muna kami for a bit. And then we will explore in a bit. So, kasi dito, guys, super mahal. Maharlika. So yeah. Tonight we will have our early lunch here. Early dinner. So here's the menu. Nasa art. Gago. Main course. Vegetarian man eh. Na sila yung rice. Napod sila. So Indian keme. Hi, can we sit here outside?
Yes, of course. Wherever you want.
Okay, thank you. Ay, nana nilang serving sis. Oh, it's not bad. Dalita, So, dito kami kakain, guys. It's an Indian restaurant. Diyan lang kami nakatira. So, here, kasi nga, sarado ang all, guys. It's Sunday. Here in Europe, most of the facility, shops, and everything are closed during Sunday. So the price is expensive, but I think it's okay than the seaside. I mean, than the Old Town, because in Old Town it's too much. I'm here now with my sisterette. Ano? Paano? Vacaciones grande. Alala.
Vacaciones de El Grande con todos de trabajo. Dobro.
Ansa?
1 year of existence for the restaurante. Dobro.
Okay na.
You get grilled vegetables.
Like them, they have rice on the side?
Yeah, if you want, we can make. So we have basmati rice, French
Basmati
fries, and grilled
rice.
vegetables.
Okay.
So whatever you want.
Okay, for the main dish only na? Kako si Sovech?
Dinko.
Dinko.
Yes.
Leia.
Lea.
Yabuka.
Yabuka. Apple.
Abay. Yabuka.
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken? Okay, one
That's
butter.
my favorite.
Yeah, is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, one butter chicken with basmati rice.
Yes.
And then naan ka? And then one naan. What is good na? Kanina andun kami sa Old Town. And I realized we were supposed to eat there, and I realized sobrang mahal, guys, as in the prices are like too much. Like literally, tama yung mo nakikita ko sa online. It's very pricey. So I told my sister, uwi na lang kami ng apartment and we try to cook something or maybe eat here, because I read that the food here are much cheaper than the Old Town, which is almost the same lang naman, but you know. So I hope this is good. We choose the Asian food because gusto talaga namin ng rice. We cannot live without rice, guys. And yep, nakain na lang muna kami. And saka na kami magagala-gala. So, later. Yes, guys, palapuno. Oh, kakain na kami, guys. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. Lami. Kain muna kami, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Oh my God. Deserving siya. Fairness. Lami. Kaon. Guys, super sarap ng food. Hindi ko alam, it's because we're hungry or talagang masarap siya. May justice yung food nila, guys. I'm so happy. We are not disappointed. Talagang naubos. Because it's so good. Sarap talaga siya. Ulan na.
Ulan na si Chef.
Ano siya? Ulan, guys. Super ulan. Siya ang chef? Sabi? Super ulan. Literal. Baka mag-coffee na lang kami muna dito or tatakbo kami. Kailangan namin ng choices. Number 1, tatakbo. Number 2, stay muna at mag-coffee. Hanggang Kalibangon at tatakbo. Literal. Yung basmati rice na ubos. Say sister, ubos na ubos. Yung butter chicken ko, meron pa kasi may nan pa. Kainin ko yan. Tapos it's raining outside, guys. See? Kaya, ewan ko kung paano kami nito. Mag-chill-chill lang siguro muna kami. Lahat kami naglipatan sa loob. Hi guys! So, nakatulog na ako. So, after we ate at that Indian restaurant, napagod, natulog, and time check, it's already 11:50 p.m. So, I'm just gonna end this vlog for our day 1, arriving here in Dubrovnik, Croatia, and many more videos to come on this 8 days trip. So sit back and relax, and I hope that you will like, share, and subscribe on my channel. So thank you for watching. See you again tomorrow. Bye.